Hi all, welcome to CoreJava for testers with simple programs. As you all know, I'm teaching CoreJava for testers from interview perspective, and that's the reason I'm not going in depth into each and every topic, and or I'm not going with complex programs. Okay, so let's start with the class. Today's class, today day 4, we are going to see abstraction. What is abstraction? Abstraction is hiding the implementation part is called abstraction. So what is hiding the implementation? We will see when we write the program. So abstraction has two types. One is partially abstraction and one is fully abstraction. Let's see what is partially abstraction. It supports abstract and non-abstract. We can't create object for abstract class. So what does this mean? We can't create object means, say for example, we used to create objects to call the methods, right? If you take this example, I've created a object here called b for this class to call the all the methods. So we can't do that in abstract class because in the method signature we don't mention any business logic, because we will not mention any business logic because we cannot create business logic in abstract class. This abstract class is a keyword. Keyword, abstract class and extends are two keywords that is used in a partially abstraction. Okay, let's see the program so that you will understand better. And subclass and superclass, yes, we need to have subclass and superclass. Subclass is called as child class, superclass is called as parent class. So only then we can run this program. Okay, let's go to the program. I have created a new project called bank and package also. Let's create a, and close this. Let's create a new class, and this class we are going to create abstract class. Abstract is the keyword, so we need to create a abstract class. So what I'll do, I'll create a class name called bank with abstract class. Means you have an option here called abstract. Click on that, give finish. See, you got this abstract class. If you forget to click on that, you can type this manually also, not an issue. So now we have checkbox, we got public abstract class bank is the class name. What we saw in our notes, we can't create object for abstract class, so we are not going to create any object. We are going to write only the methods here, only the method signature. Okay, so what we will do, abstract, you need to mention this word called abstract void. In banks, what we will do, in banks we will have we will have several accounts like saving, current and deposits, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, so many other deposits. So let's say let's take saving, then let's take current, that is current account, current, let's say fixed, or let's say deposits. Okay, so these are all called what, method signatures, just the signature. We are not writing any business logic here, and we are not going to create object here. We can't create object also in abstract, so we will write only the method signature. And let us create a normal method. So uh, let's say I'm creating branch details is the method here for this class. I'll change this private to public, and I'll remove this. Let me print this. I'll give a business logic here. Let me print this, and I'll say branch details is Mumbai. Done. Okay, so this is done. This is what, this is a subclass. Now let's create a superclass, that is another class. go to class. Let's create a super class. There's a normal class. I'll create it as we have given branch Mumbai, so let's take some bank name. Let's say ABC bank. ABC is a bank. Okay, so the bank name is ABC. I'm going to write the method and logics here in this super class only. So what are the abstract we gave here? Saving, current and deposits. So let's create a method for savings here. Saving. Here only we are going to create the method for all the abstracts. So saving, I'm going to print, write the business logic here. Saving account, I'll call it a saving account. Then what is next is current. I'll create a method for current here. Current, I'll print this current account. I'm going to give a logic here, business logic. I'll say current account, then we mention deposits. Let me check once. Deposits, okay. Deposits. Sorry, let me change into public. And write the business logic here, and I'll say fixed deposit. I'll say fixed deposit. Save it. Now what I'll do, I'll create a main method. So to run any program, what we need is a main method. Then we need to create the object. We can't create object in abstract class, we can create only here. So what I'll do, I'll create a main method. What we should give to create a main method? Type main method will be created. Now I'm going to create an object. How we will create? Class name, object name equal to new of class name. Same procedure only. So what is the class name here? Class name, I'll take this ABC class name. I'll create an object called AB equal to new of class name ABC. Okay, now I'm going to call all the methods, but before that we need to use the keyword keyword extends. Without extending we will not be able to call the methods. So let's try without giving the keyword. What is the method I've given? AB. What are the objects we are able to see? I mean the methods we are able to see. We are able to see saving. Okay. Able to see current. Okay. We are able to see deposits. And branch details. So we are not able to see the branch details. So what we should do, see here we created the abstract method saving current and deposits. and we also created for branch details. Here we created the business logic for all the abstract methods, saving, current and deposits. We also created a normal method for branch details here, which did not reflect here. So what you should do, you should use the keyword extends here, extends bank. Now let's see if we are able to see that branch details here. A B C. Now we are able to see the branch details. For this reason we need to use the keyword extends, or if required you need to use this extends keyword. Okay, so this is the usage of abstract class and the keywords abstract and extends. Guys, hope you understand. If you want, I'll explain once again. So we need to create an abstract class. Here we will mention only the abstract class methods. We will not create an object here, or we cannot create an object, and so we cannot create the business logic. So we don't create the logics here. So what we will do, we will create this will be useful to um, save all the methods that we need, so it will help to reuse. Okay, here we can write in the super class we can write whatever business logic that is required, because this is the normal class, this is not the abstract class. So we can write all the business logics as usual with the main method and the normal method. So we are able to create the object and call the methods. And extend is the keyword that is used only to extend the normal method that is created here, because this is a normal method. If this is not here, then we can stop, then we don't have to use this extend keyword. We can stop with deposits also. Okay, so this is a partial abstraction. Hope you guys understood. So let's run the program and see. We missed to run the program. Let's run this. So we are able to see saving, current, deposit, sorry, the logic that we gave for fixed deposit, and branch details. What we gave branch detail as Mumbai. Okay, saving account, current account, fixed deposit, and the branch details. So this is how the abstract class works. Let's see the definition one more time. Abstract class supports, sorry, partial abstraction supports abstract and non-abstract. We can't create object for abstract class because in the method signature we don't mention, we not mention any business logic. And what is the keyword for partially abstraction is abstract class and extends class. Okay guys, that's all for today. Let's see the fully abstraction in the next class. If you want, you can make a note of it and practice at home. I will also mention the notes in the description box. If you have any doubts, you can mention in the comment box. If you like this video and feel it is useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Okay, thank you.